Greetings. I have the 2025 paper 1 question under calculus, and this question reads: find an expression for dy dx of the equation y is equals to 5 over 2 minus 3x. Find an expression for dy dx of the equation y is equals to 2 minus 3x. So in short, they just want us to differentiate this equation, which is y is equal to 5 over 2 minus 3x. So we have our solutions here. Okay, so before we start solving, let's just rewrite the equation that we have. So we have the equation y is equal to 5 over 2 minus 3x. So you might be watching this on TikTok or YouTube. If it's on TikTok, give it a follow so that you don't miss our next solving, and if it's on YouTube, hit the subscription button so that you get notified when we post another question. Okay, so this is the equation that we have, and we have been told to obtain an expression for dy dx. So this part can be also written as 5 multiplied by 2 minus 3x, close brackets, to the power negative 1. So the reason this can be written like this, it's because this power negative 1, the power negative 1 just simply means 2 minus 3x to the power 1 over 1. So this is what this means. So this just simply means 1 over 2 minus 3x to the power 1. So writing like this is the same as writing like this. So here we're going to have a situation where this will be multiplied by 5, and it will take us back to this part. Unfortunately, this is not our lesson. Okay, so after writing like this, then you can now differentiate. So this function can be differentiated by multiplying this power by this, and then we subtract 1 from here, then we multiply everything with the differentiation of this. So in case you have gotten lost, this is what we mean. So I'm going to have negative 1 multiplied by 5. This will give us negative 5. Okay, open bracket, 2 minus 3x to the power negative 1 minus 1. This will give us negative 2. Remember, we subtract the power by 1. So this will give us 2 multiplied by the differentiation of this one. So if you differentiate 2 minus 3x, so we know that this will be 0. We are going to remain with 0 on this. If we differentiate 2 minus 3x, we're going to remain with 0. So 0 here. So this will take us to this part, 0 minus 3. Hence, we're going to remain with the negative 3. I believe we know how to differentiate this. So if you differentiate this, we said that we're going to remain with the negative 3. Then we just multiply this by this. So negative multiplied by negative, this will give you positive. So we're going to have negative 3 multiplied by negative 5, and it will give you a positive 15 multiplied by 2 minus 3x to the power negative 2. So this is the dy dx of this equation. So if you don't want to write like this can be also written as y is equal to 15 over 2 minus 3x squared. I talked about what a negative power means. Okay, so this is how we can differentiate this. Okay, so we are a school of online lesson, and if you'd like to know more about us or learn with us, you can contact me on this WhatsApp line, plus 26096515865. We do lessons for additional mathematics, pure chemistry, physics. We also do biology, civic education, commerce, and accounts. Rather than that, we also do lesson for the form 1 and form 2. So this is the WhatsApp line you can use to know more about us. Thanks for watching.